Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson, that is rational numbers. Okay, we are studying rational numbers. What we have studied in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we have completed question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1A. The question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1A we have completed. Okay, as well as we have completed question number 8 and 9. I hope all the questions you have solved, and if there is any difficulty or any doubt regarding the remaining questions I have given you as a homework of exercise 1A, you can message me and ask me whatever difficulty is. So first, अगर आपको कोई भी difficulty पूछनी है, first you solve that question in a rough book and then send it to me. So if there is any mistake or any wrong step, I will tell you. Okay? After that we are moving further. आज हम लोग कौन सा क्वेश्चन देखने वाले हैं? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 6 हो गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ओके, of which exercise? Exercise 1A. ओके, exercise 1A, question number 7. We are solving the question number 1. Okay, what is the question number? Sorry, first question is verify. Verify means क्या होता है? Tell me, what is the meaning of verify? Verify means you have to find out the value of left hand side of equals to, and then you have to find out the value of right hand side of equals to. वहाँ equals to का symbol होता है, उसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की वैल्यू निकालो और उसके बाद राइट हैंड साइड की वैल्यू निकालो. इफ योर वैल्यू ऑफ LHS, that means left hand side, and RHS, that means right hand side, is equal, that means your given question is verified. Verify मतलब क्या आपको करना होता है? Verify means चेक करना. You have to check. वहाँ पे बोला है कि लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड के इक्वल है, तो आपको यही बताना है कि वो लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड के इक्वल है या नहीं है. So in the given question, first we find out the value of left hand side. Okay, so first write down the question. I will directly write the solution. Okay, solution in the given solution, first is 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 8. 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 8 is equals to minus 5 by 8. Okay, it is a commutative property. Okay, we have to verify the commutative property. So if you have to verify it, so find out the value of LHS. So in your solution write LHS. LHS is equals to 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 8. LHS equals to 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 8. Since the denominators of both of them are different, we are performing the cross multiplication here. Since there are only two terms, we can perform the cross multiplication here. If there are more than two terms, try to apply the LCM method. अगर दो ही terms होती है तो आप cross multiplication लगा लो, that will be easy for you. And if there are more than two terms, then go for the LCM method. Okay. So if you are multiplying by the cross multiplication method, then 2 into 8 plus 3 into minus 5, and in the denominator you can write 3 into 8. How will we write it? 8 is multiplied with this 2, and this 3 multiplied with this minus 5, and in the denominator you multiply both the denominators. Okay, this is called a cross multiplication. Why we call it cross multiplication? Because they cross and there is a symbol of cross. If we transfer this terms, then there is a symbol making that is cross symbol. Okay, so 3 into 8. First, 2 into 8 is equals to how much? 2 into 8 is equals to 16. 2 into 8 is equals to 16, and 3 into minus 5 is equals to how much? 3 into minus 5 is equals to how much? Tell me. I will told you how to find out the multiplication of terms, that is negative terms. Okay, negative terms का multiplication कैसे निकालते हैं बोलो? जब दोनों numbers positive होते हैं या same sign के होते हैं, if the terms having both the terms having the same sign, then we will write the multiplication directly. If they having the opposite sign, फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर दैट इज 3 and 5. पहले आप क्या करोगे 3 and 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन दैट इज 15. And I will told you if the minus is in an even times. अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में माइनस जो है वो even times है तो आप उसे मत लिखो, और अगर वो odd times है then you have to write. Here the minus is one time, one is an odd number, so you have to place it in your answer. So here minus. Why we place bracket here? Because two symbols that is plus and minus can't return together. आप एक ही statement में plus minus को side by side नहीं लिख सकते. Not plus minus, you can't write the two symbols together. Okay? If you have to write it, then place the bracket. Okay? So, and in the denominator, 3 into 8, that is 24. Since in this term, in your numerator, one term is a positive and one term is a negative. In your numerator, one term is positive and one term is negative. Then tell me which operation we have to perform, addition or subtraction. अगर आपके न्यूमरेटर में एक टर्म पॉजिटिव और एक टर्म नेगेटिव होती है तो हमें करना होता है subtraction. So we subtract them. 16 and 15, your subtraction is 1, and we have to place the symbol of a greater number, that is positive. Okay, so 1 upon 20. Okay, this is your LHS. LHS is equals to 120. Sorry, 1 upon 24. Now we are finding the value of RHS. Okay, RHS is equals to, what is your RHS? Minus 5 upon 8 plus 2 upon 3. Again, we perform the cross multiplication, that is minus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 8, and in the denominator 8 into 3. So, what is the multiplication of minus 5 into 3? 15, and the symbol of a minus, because minus is only one times, and 2 into 8 is equals to 16, and in the denominator it is 24. Since one integer is positive and one integer is negative, here we perform the subtraction, so our answer is 1, and we have to place the symbol of a greater number, that is 16, that is plus, so we don't place here minus, so our answer is 1 upon 24. So RHS is equals to 124. Your LHS is equals to 124, 1 upon 24, and your RHS is also equals to 1 upon 24, and since LHS is equals to RHS, hence very good. क्योंकि आपका LHS RHS के इक्वल आया है, इसलिए आप बोलोगे कि गिवन क्वेश्चन इज वेरीफाइड. वेरीफाइड मीन्स यू checked it and it is correct. Okay? Now which question is remaining? Question number कौन सा बचा है तुम्हारा? 10. Question number 10. So today we are completing our exercise 1A. Question number 10. Write it down the question और read first. पहले read कर लो क्वेश्चन को, क्या दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, what information given in your question. Okay. Question number 10. What is your question? Question is, a cabinet shop made a desktop by gluing a sheet of 5 upon 16 centimeter of vinyl to a sheet of 3 by 4 centimeter plywood. What was the total thickness of the desktop? सबसे पहले तो आपको क्वेश्चन क्या है वो देख लो. क्वेश्चन ये है कि what was the total thickness of the desktop. That means आपका जो डेस्कटॉप है उसका टोटल थिकनेस कितना होगा ये आपको बताना है. बट गिवन क्या है वो देखो. एक कैबिनेट शॉप मेड अ डेस्कटॉप. उन्होंने क्या किया है, एक डेस्कटॉप बनाया है बाय ग्लूइंग मतलब ऐड करके, मतलब दोनों को एक के ऊपर एक, जैसे हम लोग एक के ऊपर एक परत ऐसे रखते जाते हैं, लेयर बाय लेयर. अगर हम एक के ऊपर एक कोई चीज रखते हैं, दैट इज ग्लूइंग द लेयर्स ऑफ वन अपॉन अनदर. दैट इज फर्स्ट इज a sheet of oak liner. पहली जो शीट है वो ओक लिनर की है जिसका थिकनेस है 5 upon 16 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, अबाउट दैट वी हैव द शीट ऑफ प्लाईवुड. उसके ऊपर हमने लगाया है प्लाईवुड की शीट, दैट इज उसकी थिकनेस है 3 upon 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो first we place a oak inner sheet whose thickness is 5 upon 16, and above which we place a plywood sheet whose thickness is 3 upon 4 centimeter. So if you have to find out the thickness of the deadstock, that means you have to add the thickness of both, then you can find out the thickness of the deadstock. So how to write the solution? To write down the solution, the solution is a cabinet. First write down the question. Okay, a cabinet shop made a desktop by a cabinet shop made a desktop by gluing a sheet of 5 upon 16 centimeter oak wheel. Okay, and oak winner 2, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर रखा है तो oak winner 2 a sheet of 3 upon 4 centimeter plywood. क्या हुआ है कि जैसे हम लोग एक डेस्कटॉप बना रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स आपको कोई एक शीट बनानी है, तो सबसे पहले हमने ओक विनर की शीट रखी है और उसके ऊपर हमने क्या किया है, हम लोगों ने प्लाईवुड की शीट लगाई है. सो द थिकनेस ऑफ ओक विनर इज 5 upon 16 and the plywood of 3 by 4 centimeter. So if you have to find out the total thickness, so the total thickness is equals to how much? Total thickness is equals to addition of both of them, that is 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 4 centimeter. 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 4 centimeter. Since both the denominators are different, first try to make the denominator same. सबसे पहले आप ये कोशिश करो कि your denominator is same. Here the denominator is 16 and here the denominator is 4. So you can make this denominator 16. आप इस denominator को 16 बना सकते हो. How? By multiplying this 4 with 4. So here when multiplying this 4 with 4, so our answer is 5 upon 16 plus 3 into 4, and in the denominator 4 multiplied by 4 centimeter. Okay. So what will be your answer? Your answer is 5 upon 16 plus 12 upon 16 centimeter. Here now the denominator is same, so you can add the numerators directly. क्योंकि आपके denominator same आ गए, you can add your numerator directly, that is 5 plus 12 upon 16 centimeter. Okay, 5 plus 12, that is 17 upon 16 centimeter, and in the mixed fraction we can write it as 1 upon 16 centimeter. 1 upon 16 centimeter. So the total thickness of the desktop is 17 upon 16, but we have to write it in a mixed format. So your answer is 1 upon 16 centimeter. So in the last, what will you write? You will write hence. Is it visible? Hence of desktop. Hence, the total thickness of desktop was 1/16 centimeter. 1/16 centimeter. So, what is given in our first question we solved today is verification question. In a verification question, there are two statements, one on the left side of equal to and one on the right side of equals to. So, you have to find out the value of both the sides. You have to find out the value of both the sides. That means left hand side as well as right hand side. If the value of left hand side is equals to right hand side, so we say hence our question is verified. Verified means we checked it and they both are equal. That means you have to check in a question that both the sides are equal or not. If LHS equals to RHS, that means your question is verified. Okay. So if they are not same, try to find out, try to make them equal, because ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि वेरिफिकेशन क्वेश्चन में आपके दोनों साइड्स इक्वल नहीं आ रहे हैं. अगर आपके कभी नहीं आ रहे हैं तो चेक योर कैलकुलेशंस फर्स्ट. ओके. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 in which there is a shop and they have to make the desktop. Okay, and they are making the desktop with the two types of sheet. One is a opener sheet and another is a plywood. So first they apply the opener sheet. उसकी thickness कितनी थी 5/16 centimeter and after on which उसके ऊपर उन्होंने कौन सी लगाई थी plywood sheet. Plywood sheet उसकी sheet उसका thickness कितना था 3/4 centimeter and if we have to find out the total thickness of the desktop, so we add the thickness of both of them. So if we are adding 5/16 and 3/4, since the denominator of both of them are not same, you can find out the LCM or either perform the cross multiplication. In both the cases, your LCM is 16. अगर आप इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 20 plus 48/64. If you solve it and cut it into a shortest form, your answer is again 17/16. And if you are finding the LCM, again your LCM is 16. But here we say कि जो ये डिनोमिनेटर है 4, ये हमें दिख रहा है कि ये 16 में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है. So we convert this 4 into 16 by multiplying it by 4. So our answer is 17/16, but it is improper fraction. So we convert it into a mixed fraction. So our answer is 1/16. So here our exercise 1A completed. So you complete till exercise 1A, lesson number 2, lesson number 3 and lesson number 4 in your notebook. Okay. The next topic, that is subtraction of rational numbers, we are taking in our next lecture. Till then, bye. Have a nice